One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about how Uber is screwing Universal Orlando passengers off very royally per trip, per ride. Holy crap. Sergio, what the heck?
Yeah, what the heck is right? Universal Orlando, you're getting screwed. Your riders, your patrons are getting screwed. Uber got this, by the way, from me 2 days ago. You know who you are. You know, this is bullshit, right? I mean, we know what's happening on the driver end in Florida. One of the worst markets possibly ever. I mean, I'm not laughing. I'm like, it hurts when I laugh. I don't know how that market got to where it got to, but I'm pretty sure we have enough Florida people that have their opinions about it. So I get an email. It goes, hello, Sergio. I have a fun little tidbit. I'm like, yeah, let's see what this fun little tidbit is. Uber set up a rideshare. This is from Nick in Florida. Thanks, Nick. Uber set up a rideshare pickup zone at Universal Orlando theme park. Great. We have one here up in Universal Studios. As part of the deal, I would say for 2 years, Uber was charging the passengers an extra $4 surcharge as a pickup fee. That's like freaking LAX, bro. What the F? $4?
Wow.
Yeah, well, you already know where this is going. Charging the passengers $4 fee. Lyft didn't charge the $4 fee, but could still pick up. I'm like, okay, cool. So why would anybody go into an Uber? I don't know. Anyway, so, well, guess what? The deal expired 5 months ago, Chris. Universal Orlando took down the Uber designated area signs. Okay. Uber doing Uber things. Uber is still charging passengers an extra $4 surcharge even after the deal expired 5 months ago. How many $4 is that?
Money.
How many $4 times thousands of trips is that?
A lot.
Yeah, and here's the receipt of one of the recent trips. Look at this. It's $4 right there. I'm going like, Uber, not only you screw the driver, we know you burn the candle on both ends. We know that, but this is not proof. You know, I'm going to start educating the rider community now, okay? Because we only have like 3-4 million drivers.
I think the biggest thing is anybody in the Orlando market, tell your passengers if they're going to Universal, order Lyft.
If you pick up there on Uber, make sure they don't get jacked $4. That's bullshit, Uber. I mean, 5 months is a long time, bro, and that's a busy park. So what would you say? Like 1,000 trips a day, probably 1,000 pickups a day? What am I saying? A lot more. What am I even saying?
Probably more, yeah.
Probably more. I mean, look at that money rolling in. I know in Uber's $140 billion market cap, it may not be much, but it's cheating. I mean, hey. So if you're Orlando, if you pick up Universal Orlando, you know, ask your rider if they're still getting charged, because Uber was like, oh shit, really? I'm like, yeah, shit, really? So hopefully they'll stop it. So this proves that we're not the only ones getting screwed. The rider is as well. The drivers are getting none. Of course not. They never got it, by the way, Chris. The $4 never ever went to the driver. You know what I'm saying? So why is Uber stealing from the passengers? Good question, Uber. 4 times thousands of rides a day for the last 5 months. Yeah. Huh? It looks like we have some money going back to the riders now, like we've done how many times? Multiple times to drivers. Riders, you have some money coming if you were at Orlando, Florida. Go get that money. I mean, hey, man.
Your passenger killer. We have realized that there was a surcharge that was added to one of your recent rides coming from Universal. We apologize for the inconvenience and would like to give you a $4 credit on your account.
Yep, it'll show up as like $8, or you know what it'll show up like? It'll show up like a ride credit or some Uber credit. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm just saying.
All right, Alfie, you check it out. Send me a screenshot. They are charged that money. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, Alfie. But if you do a trip from Orlando pickup, make sure to ask your passenger, if they got charged $4. They shouldn't be. So then they can call Uber and say, hey, the deal ended 4 months ago, 5 months ago. Why are you still charging me $4? I'm sure it's a edge case or a glitch.
And call Universal. And
Call
Universal.
Universal.
It's an edge case glitch. Yeah, call Universal and be like, why is there a surcharge when that deal ended 5 months ago?
Okay. Usually, Chris, at airports, right, they take $4 in, $4 out at LAX, right? But that fee directly goes to LAX. Maybe Uber was collecting and paying Universal, but then once the deal ended, Universal doesn't even know that Uber is still collecting. Maybe that's how they're pocketing. It may have been that they were passing that $4 to Universal. I don't know.
That's the most likely scenario if they were doing that.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
I'm betting that at this point, now that that deal's done, call up Universal, and I'm sure there will be a little bit of pressure on that because they could just say you can't pick up on grounds at all.
Yeah, exactly. Because they took the signs down. He says they also because you're in one of the synthetic markets, Alfie. They already lowered the fares before they gave you the 5% back.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.